Side and Razer reveal world-first hybrid playtest and QA solution with AI. Today, award-winning gaming services company Side and Razer, the world's leading lifestyle brand for gamers, revealed an industry-disrupting playtest tool. Made possible by leveraging Side's proprietary AI technology, playtest data is simultaneously used to improve quality assurance results, an industry first. Based on pricing comparisons from major playtest providers, it could reduce playtesting costs by 80% in some cases. Razer Cortex playtest program, powered by Side, combines traditional playtesting features with QA on a massive scale, making it the first all-in-one testing solution for developers looking for both qualitative and technical feedback. The new tool will launch within Razer Cortex, Razer's PC game launcher with over 55 million global users, enabling developers to run large-scale, targeted playtests with real players. Gamers who meet eligibility criteria can opt into playtests directly through Razer Cortex. Through the launcher, they sign NDAs and receive unique download keys for game builds, ensuring secure and confidential access. During gameplay, Cortex tracks playtime and performance data. After completing specific requirements, players submit their feedback through qualitative surveys and are rewarded with Razer Silver rewards, which can be redeemed for games or gear, creating a meaningful incentive for participation. The collected gameplay and sentiment data is analyzed by Side's proprietary AI, which removes duplicate data. The reports are finally interpreted and validated by Side's expert QA teams, making it possible to deliver actionable insights at a fraction of the costs. Deborah Kirkham, CEO, Side, said, "The gaming industry is infamous for being slow to adapt to new technology. With our partners at Razer, we are aggressively bucking that trend with Razer Cortex, playtest program, powered by Side. Our passion is bringing our clients' stories to the world, and there's no better data source for feedback than hardcore gamers. If storytelling is your business, your playtesters are your shareholders. Our unique solution makes it possible to give your biggest advocates a seat at the table, nurturing that initial investment in your IP to ultimately drive sales at launch. Simultaneously, we use the same data collected during playtests to deliver better QA results on your title. It's a win-win-win for the player, developer, and us at Side." A new era of playtesting. Playtesting is one of the most critical yet resource-intensive phases of game development. Traditional methods rely on small, manually recruited groups and lengthy survey processes, often resulting in limited insights and high costs. Razer Cortex, playtest program, powered by Side, leverages Razer's massive global community and Cortex's built-in capabilities as a game launcher to pre-qualify playtesters based on how players engage with games, their interests, and general profiles. This allows developers to bypass traditional recruitment bottlenecks and tap into a diverse, relevant pool of testers with greater efficiency. Guyan Quach, VP, Software, Razer said, "Razer Cortex, playtest program, powered by Side, is a new feature within our game launcher that gives developers a cost-effective way to run playtests at scale. By integrating Side's solution into Razer Cortex, we simplify build distribution, enable targeted player selection, and support structured data collection. This collaboration helps developers connect with engaged players and gather meaningful feedback to support better development decisions. Developers can target player pools based on gameplay behavior, experience, and eventually, broader audience insights. This could also enable player-led localization testing in the future." How it works, human-in-the-loop AI. For most AAA titles, QA teams are made up of 5-6 people working in a fully secure environment. There are numerous ways to test games, but unlike playtesters who play for fun or completion, QA teams attempt to break the game by focusing their time on key moments and areas that players are most likely to interact with. Razer Cortex, playtest program, powered by Side, arms that same QA team with data collected from players who are playing the game authentically for entertainment purposes. This allows the professionals at Side to catch bugs that could have potentially flown under the radar in a lab setting. If a playtest comes back with multiple reports of a crash in the same section, our testers know to start looking for a bug. The development of this tool reflects Side's commitment to infuse technology with human ingenuity. Providing playtest reports of this caliber to human QA teams would not be possible without the company's significant investment in AI-enabled gaming services solutions. Building AI into Side's workflows is critical to keeping both their clients and team ahead, with 87% of developers saying that they were already using AI, according to a recent industry survey. Dr. Harlan Beverly, Chief Technology Officer, Side, said, "This partnership between Side and Razer is responsible for changing the paradigm of playtesting forever. For developers, it means more testers and more playtest hours at the same or lower cost. For players, it means being closer than ever to the development process, and for QA, it's adding a whole new work stream to their role. Our QA teams and clients are going to have access to more real players and more useful data, well before a product's beta test, than they ever thought possible. This shift from the industry standard of small volume, high touch to high volume, low touch playtests allows for a level of AI-based analytics that no one has ever done before. This program is what disruption looks like in real time." Industry impact. For developers, Side will be able to provide deeper insights at scale with enhanced sentiment analysis, feedback from target demographics, and functionality testing, all at a substantially lower cost than industry norms. Research from the University of Ontario found that playtesting spotted issues in games before they were put in front of the critics. Given that reviews have a huge impact on sales, New York City Data Science Academy, playtesting plays a critical role in preparing a game for commercial success. The ability to run large playtests at a reasonable cost with the added value of expert QA input is what makes the solution disruptive and unique in the gaming services marketplace. For players, this solution creates the opportunity for unprecedented closeness to the industry they love. They get to share their feedback directly with the developers of the franchises they have invested in, ahead of the public release, an experience usually only available to press and influencers. For developers, it is an invaluable sense check, an opportunity to respond and pivot before official launch. Razer Cortex, playtest program, powered by Side, is just one of Side's playtesting solutions. Their portfolio of services offers a range of playtesting options for both mass and small-scale playtesting.